This is Art New York. The first program will cover 4 exhibitions on view in both December 1979 and January 1980. The exhibitions that will be seen are Andy Warhol's Portraits of the 70s at the Whitney Museum, Ned Smyth and Thomas Lanigan-Schmidt at the Holly Solomon Gallery in Soho, Mel Bochner at the Sonnabend Gallery, also in Soho, and Joseph Beuys at the Ronald Feldman Gallery on 74th Street. Art New York will conclude with an excerpt from an interview with Joseph Beuys, who is generally considered the most significant artist working in Europe today. Text and commentary for this program are by Tom Wolfe.
I'm a believer and thinker on invisible powers, and I feel the power of art comes by other channels towards humans' creative power fields lying inside, the willpower, the feeling power, thinking power, the intuition, imagination, inspiration, and therefore I take care that something is visually hidden and it stimulates other senses if you stay patiently enough and are interested enough to look for this difference,